7 days and 7 mini games. Each day, one game. We will make 7 simple mini games in Unity for beginners. In this session, I just tell you what to prepare. Go to Unity Hub and create a 2D project. Then go to Unity Asset Store in 2D tab, Environment, and set price to free. Click on Free Platform Game Asset. Then click Add to My Assets, open in Unity. A window will pop up and click Download. Then import and wait. A folder will appear that contains that asset. Now in Hierarchy, right-click UI Canvas. Select a screen size camera and give main camera to that field. Select the scale with the screen size. We want Full HD, 9020 in 1080. Match to 0.5. Then select UI image. We want to give it a simple background. Assign the picture to image component. Set native size. Okay, everything is ready. We have this as template, and when we want to start making games, we just duplicate this scene as a starter. See you next time.